wanted to get to some questions and also jump back to our ETFs. So one of the questions we had from last week was Milan Todorov asked in a comment on part 2 of last week's weekly trading plan that's relevant to ETFs. So again, I thought I'd talk about this as we go over to ETFs. He asks, when you are choosing between different ETFs in the same sector for a long hold, what are you looking for? Funds under management, expense ratio, NAV, yield, volume, or performance? So again, I'll jump over to our ETF Google Sheet. And just a quick reminder, if you would like access to this ETF Google Sheet, as well as our dividend payers and our puts ROIC Google Sheet, you can gain access to those 24/7 by joining our Patreon at either the all access or VIP level. So again, once I identify a potential opportunity, I'll go and look in the ETF Google Sheet. And to try to answer Milov's question, let me look at one I've looked at recently that we're currently watching, which is cannabis. We've got a comparison of MJ versus MSOS. So to answer his question, what do I look at first? Firstly, let me say, generally, I'm not generally holding ETFs for a long hold. Again, we primarily swing trade. So I'm looking for something that's near a support level. It's got a good risk reward. So again, to answer that question, the first thing I look at is the risk reward and the risk reward ratio. I'm looking at support and resistance levels, both from a very near term as well as the 52-week and also the bottom to top. But again, I'm focusing on the near term. What's that opportunity? We can also see the ones highlighted in green are showing near within 10% of its support level. So that would be, again, my first choice would be which one presents the best risk reward, near-term risk reward profile. So in this case, since I've got two to choose from and the near-term risk reward of MJ is slightly better, I would probably choose that one. Another factor I consider is the optionality. So one that is optionable, if I'm comparing two that are almost the same risk reward opportunity, I would choose one that's optionable over one that's not optionable. Again, other factors, funds under management. Yes, the composition of the fund is important, but again, we kind of know if it's in the same sector, the compositions are going to be similar, but you can see the perspective and compare the compositions of the actual holdings of each ETF by clicking the link over to the ETF database, looking at the different holdings. So another one to talk about along these lines is China. So there are different funds in China that you can see, and these do have different compositions, different holdings. So in this case, it might be important to understand the holdings of the different China funds. So you've got Yen, you've got KWeb, which is internet. You've got another CWeb, which is internet. And you've got Harvest. So again, in that case, understanding the composition may be important, whereas one area, the China Harvest might be negative, whereas China Technology might be positive. So in that case, that becomes important. Dividends are somewhat interesting. So dividend yield, also volume and performance. Performance again gets into risk reward opportunity, history, how long. I don't really factor expense ratio in a whole lot personally, because again, we're not really looking at holding them for a long time, so that expense ratio isn't terribly significant. However, if you are planning on investing and holding an ETF for a very long time, then yes, you might want to consider the expense ratio and what impact that would have on the overall performance. So again, I hope that answers your question, Millen. And if you'd like additional information, please feel free to ask us a follow-up question. We do have another video about zombie ETFs, so we would avoid a zombie ETF where it's their assets under management are not appreciating and they're at risk of potentially being delisted. So again, we hope that helps. Again, others, other fellow BeachBum traders would love to hear your feedback as well on, what do you consider when choosing between different ETFs in the same sector for a long hold. Again, different traders are going to have different views, different long-term goals, etc. So again, we'd love to hear your feedback as well. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the links section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $, the super thanks, Again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.